Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today as I unbox the Spellbinders die of the month for July, and I purchased the large die and the small die. So the large one is an alphabet and this one is a flower themed die on the small set. On the back side they always give you a sample of how to use your dies and how to layer them and what they look like when they're cut out. And I also have some sample projects. So in this pack you get three flowers, three large flowers along with the shadow, and you get a paisley, and this one has little flowers here on the end with some sprigs. I'll show you what they look like cut out in just a few minutes. You get a leaf that embosses, and then three other flower sprigs, or excuse me, two. I did put these on magnetic sheets that I have, and they don't come with magnetic sheets. So there's the small die. The large die is this one here. Let me give you a look at the card and the samples on the back. And this is what the letters look like. They do have a shadow and then the marquee style die. The one thing that I was a little disappointed with the set is that you have to use one letter or one die for two letters. The W you have to use for an M as well, so you only get 25 alphabet letters instead of the 26. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut out the flowers on this side. These are the shadows, and then the top layer for the flowers. And I'll go ahead and start on this large flower, and this one measures about 2 1/4 inches. And then you have the top layer, which is really cute. Maybe I'll just zoom in instead of lifting it up. Okay, here's the medium size. And this one measures 1 3/4 inch. And there you have the top layer. Same style, just smaller. And then this one measures 1.5 inches. And here's the layer. I'm going to go ahead and layer this so you can get an idea what it looks like when they're layered. Let me see if I can get this in the right spot. You kind of have to move it around. Let's see. Nope. Still can't get it. Is that it? There we go. And that's what it looks like layered. You can also leave the negative pieces in the die and just create a solid piece. You can interchange these with different colors to get a different look. This is what the letters look like. So you get the shadow and then the letter itself. Here's the leaf. Like I mentioned, this you can see the embossing on this one. And then you get the paisley piece. Super pretty. Move that over there so you can see that. And then you get this piece with the leaves and this one as well. And then another idea you can do is stack two pieces in coordinating colors, just different shades, and stack them together and get a shadow effect. Go ahead and measure the leaf for you. This one is 2 inches, and the letters measure 1.5 inch on the shadow. And this piece here measures 2.5 inches. So there you go, guys. This is the unboxing of my subscription to Spellbinder's Small and Large Die of the Month. I have created a playlist, so if you missed my last unboxing and project share for the June subscription, I have a playlist that I will include this one as well. And stay tuned for an upcoming project with these two dies. So thanks everybody for watching. Take care.